Hey friends, welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. So if you watched my video on my unboxing of my new subscription box from Royal Treasure Chest, you'll know that I was incredibly excited to have a new vintage subscription box. And I really was excited about this one in particular because the company was from Pittsburgh, which is where my husband's from. And it seemed like they had a lot more just vintage knickknacks as well as some jewelry and everything. And so I was excited to try this new subscription box and share it with you guys every month. Unfortunately, that is not going to happen anymore. I have no idea what happened, but the day before I was supposed to have my, the charge come out, I did get an email confirming that my charge would go through. And then the very next day I got just a robot email saying that my subscription had been canceled. They did not charge me, which is great, but I contacted the company, I sent them emails, I sent the messages through Instagram, through Facebook, and everything was just left unanswered. They never explained anything. I went onto their website and it said there was a note on there that they were suspending their subscription boxes for the time being, which I figured that's probably what happened, but that sounded like it was for any new people coming on board. But they just never communicated. They never responded to any of my emails, and now their website is completely gone. So, I did want to continue on with some sort of subscription, so I went ahead and subscribed to Redbird Vintage Box, and so I will now be getting these. I have purchased from them before, and I really liked the stuff that I have gotten. The main reason that I didn't go with them in the first place was because most of their stuff is jewelry, and as you know, I have a lot of jewelry. And I was really excited about the potential of having some like home decor and other knickknacks, as well as, maybe some jewelry here and there. So, but the Redbird vintage box that I have gotten in the past, I didn't have a subscription. I just bought like a couple one-off boxes. And everything that I've gotten so far has been beautiful and wonderful and really suited my taste. So I'm excited about this, and I will be unboxing this with you today. And going forward, we will be doing some unboxing of this subscription box instead of the other one. I do apologize if anybody had signed up with them. Again, I don't know what happened. I hope everything is okay with them. I just, I really don't appreciate the non-communicative business policy that they have, which is very strange. So anyway, going forward, we're going to do some Redbird Vintage Box. Okay, so we're going to unbox our first month subscription box here from Redbird Vintage. So I did get the Marie accessory box, which is 4 items, and it's all going to be some jewelry, accessories. The only things that I didn't check off, I don't want any rings. I don't remember what else they asked, but it's going to be, brooches, earrings, necklaces. I know that they do have a scarf box, which is interesting, and I may do something like that in the future. And then they do have a larger box, the Lorraine box, which is 6 items, which includes clothing. I don't know if they do plus size clothing, so I don't think I'm gonna do that one. So let's see. Okay, so welcome to Redbird. We hope you love your first bin. Me too, I hope so. So let's see what we've got in here. So of course we've got it, everything is packaged, super cute. I love how they generally will put a brooch or a pin or something on the on the ribbon. So that's the first thing. It's really tiny and I love it. Yep, it's a brooch. So I'll be able to use that. All right. And these bags that they put everything in are really useful for when you travel. You can actually put all of your jewelry and stuff in these bags. Makes it really helpful to travel. Let's see what we've got. It's really windy today. Hopefully that's not it's not coming through on the video. Okay, so we've got 4 items here in little plastic bags. Looks like 2 items are pretty similar. First one here, we've got a nice necklace. That's really pretty. They're clear beads, but they have some iridescence to them. And I really like these clasps. That it makes it really easy to put on, so you don't have to worry about the, you know, the regular claw clasp. But that's really pretty. Let's see if that's actually gonna fit my neck. Sometimes these are just too small. It's not too bad. There, that's lovely. I like that. Okay, second item. Oh, it's a bracelet that actually matches, and it's just a wire, which is great because I tend to have really difficult time with bracelets because my wrists, actually it's my hands. My wrists aren't so bad, but it's my hands. I have a hard time getting them over my hands, and so this is really helpful because it's just a little wire and it connects right at the bottom. And that's really nice. It's a nice, lovely set here. It's very similar. It's clear crystals that, I don't know if you can see the iridescence in them. That's cute. I like that. And then it looks like we have 2 lovely brooches. Oh no, we've got a brooch and a necklace or a pendant. So here's this brooch. That's beautiful. I love how sparkly it is. So it has some beautiful kind of citrine, kind of an orange, and then the flowers are green. This really kind of peridot, kind of light green color. That's a really beautiful combination. That color combination is lovely. And then we have this pendant, which I'm gonna tell you this right now, I'm not gonna wear this. This is not my style. And yeah, it's strange. I've always been, I've never really been a fan of gold, especially when it's really, really shiny and bright like this. It's a beautiful color, and I love this part of it. I don't know if you can see that clearly. That's beautiful. I don't know about the gold pendant part, but it's a beautiful, beautiful necklace. I just don't know if I'm going to wear it. So I may have to just gift this to somebody, but we'll see. You know what? There are times where I have outfits that, oh look, there's another thing in here, sorry. Outfits that, you know, come up and I think, oh, I don't really have anything to wear with it. And all of a sudden I'll remember that I have a specific brooch or a necklace or something, and the colors just go perfectly well together. So you never know. This may actually come into play at some point in my wardrobe. And it looks like I had another little piece in here that I had missed, And it looks like, yep, these are earrings and they match the brooch. So it has the same kind of green and the little orange. It matches the brooch. I love that. I love matching sets. Very cute. And these are clip-on earrings, which are fine. I can wear them for, I don't know, probably half the day. But I have done, here's the clip-on, you can see. I have some of my older, like really vintage, old vintage clip-on earrings, I've actually created into posts because some of them are so tight that it's very strange. I'll put them on and they feel completely fine. And I swear to God, they have an expiration date that at some point, and each one of them is different. Sometimes it's just a few hours. Sometimes it's, you know, pretty much the whole day. But I don't know what it is. Either if I touch my ear or something happens, it's instantaneous that they start to hurt so bad and they'll give me a headache, and so I have to take them off. So I definitely have a few earrings that I've had to put posts on, and a couple of them I've done myself. My husband has just kind of soldered them on. You can glue them on too. They're not that difficult, or you can take them to a jeweler and they'll do that for you. So yeah, so far I'm actually very pleased. I've got the little brooch that came on the ribbon. Let's see if I can show that better to you. It's really tiny, but it's beautiful. Nice crystals there, nice rhinestones. And I have a matching set of the brooch and the earrings, necklace with a matching bracelet and a gold pendant. Not bad for a first box. I'm really happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I apologize if you were looking forward to the other subscription box. Hopefully, I don't know what's going to happen with that, if they come back or not. I don't think that I will want to do business with them again, even if they do. But I have my Redbird Vintage box now, and we will be doing unboxings of all of their beautiful items when we get them once a month. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.